Snowball is a lovely white cat. One day, Snowball was wandering into the kitchen, as usual, hoping to find some fallen cookie crumbs to snack on. Just then, ding ding dong dong. A strange sound echoed from inside the teapot. Snowball's ears perked up. Since when do teapots sing? She carefully leaped onto the kitchen counter and peered inside. Aha! A tiny voice called out, "You're just in time. I'm practicing my singing." Snowball blinked in surprise. Inside the Teapot Genie was sitting on a pile of tea leaves, waving his tiny wand and humming a tune. "What kind of song is that?" Snowball asked, tilting her head. "It's a magic song that makes food taste better," the genie explained excitedly. "If you sing it correctly, all the food in the kitchen will become even more delicious." Intrigued, Snowball let out a soft meow and hummed along. But suddenly, the entire kitchen came to life. Cakes started bouncing, milk turned into floating bubbles, and a loaf of bread began spinning like a ballerina. The most shocking thing? A piece of toast suddenly took off into the air like a bird, flying around the kitchen. Is this supposed to happen?" Snowball asked, wide-eyed. The genie adjusted his hat nervously. "Oh, I think I put too much passion into my singing. The magic got a little too strong." Snowball tried to catch the flying toast, but it zipped past her paws. "This is bad. My little owner is about to come in. If she sees all the food flying around, she'll think the kitchen is haunted." Snowball meowed in panic. Stay calm, the genie reassured her. "We just need to sing the quiet song, and everything will go back to normal." He quickly cleared his throat and began humming a low, gentle tune. Snowball followed his lead, letting out a soft, drawn-out meow. Sure enough, the magic began to fade. The cakes settled back onto their plates, the milk bubbles popped and returned to their cups. The runaway toast fluttered gently down onto the table, as if nothing had happened. Phew, that was way too close. Snowball let out a relieved sigh. Just then, the kitchen door swung open, and her little human walked in. Seeing the breakfast neatly placed on the table, he grinned. "Wow, everything smells extra delicious today." Snowball and the Teapot Genie exchanged amused glances and tried not to laugh. "Well, I guess the magic song really does work after all," the genie winked. Snowball flicked her tail with a small smirk, but deep down, she had already made up her mind. No more singing magic spells ever again.